Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Target RedCard. Access your account online step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type Target.com in the address bar and press enter. Click the sign in button at the top right of the Target homepage. If you already have a Target.com account, select sign in to continue. Enter the email address or mobile number connected to your Target account. Enter your Target account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Sign In and wait for your account page to load. If you see a security check, complete it to confirm you are not a bot. After signing in, click your profile icon or account in the top menu. Look for a section labeled RedCard, Wallet, or Payments in your account area. Click RedCard to open your RedCard details and management options. If you are asked to verify your identity, follow the prompts for email or text verification. Open the verification email or text message and enter the code on the website. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email or mobile number and submit the password reset request. Check your inbox or messages for the reset link or code from Target. Create a new strong password and then return to the sign-in page to log in again. If you do not have a Target.com account, click Create Account on the sign-in screen. Fill in your name, email, or mobile number, and create a password. Agree to the terms and click Create Account to finish registration. Once your account is created, sign in and go back to the account area. To manage your RedCard online, connect it if prompted by selecting Add RedCard. Enter the RedCard number and the requested personal details exactly as shown on your card or billing info. Submit the information and wait for confirmation that your RedCard is linked. After it is linked, view your balance, payments, and recent activity from the RedCard page. For payments, select Make a Payment and choose your bank account method if available. Always double-check the website address shows Target.com before entering your login details. If the page does not load or you get an error, try refreshing, clearing cache, or using another browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.